Alright, what you're going to need is a water bottle, a zip tie, a pair of pliers. I have a pointed X-Acto knife, and then I just got a 1-burner propane little stove burner here. This is a liter water bottle, so that's what you want to use. On the bottom of this one happens to have a real a real hard and solid button. Trying to drill through this and make the hole for the the tip of the pole won't work. It'll usually crack. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat the tip of the X-Acto up, and then we're just going to kind of burn around it. So anyway, hang tight. I'll be right back, and we'll get started. All right, what you're going to want to do is, just find a way to heat up, your X-Acto knife. I'm just, like I say, I'm just using this burner. I'm not going to go through the whole process of burning this out. I just do a minute or two here to give you the idea. And what I want to do is just heat this up, and then just kind of burn it. And you want to go around the outside of that button on the bottom there. You're going to want to either do this outside, or I'm going to turn on an exhaust fan here and finish this up. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that we've just kind of burnt around to get this little button, which was down in here like that. This thing is it's a real super hard piece of plastic. So like I say, trying to drill it out for this really doesn't work. So we just kind of burn it out. This bottle has ridges on it, so I just cut to the bottom ridge. Now, what's going to happen is, more than likely, see this just kind of fits down on top of your on top of the spike on your pole. Now again, the reason we're doing this is these little baskets right here, they work really good on the trail, but in the snow, I mean, they'll just punch holes in it for the most part, especially if you've got some fresh snow. So this is going to fit down in here, and it's going to be a little bit wide. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottle cap, and then we're going to make an X like this, and then like this, we're just going to cut an X, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press that down on top, and then we can put a zip tie around to lock it all in. So I'm going to X this out real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've done, I think you can see that, is I X'd it here, here, and then what I did is I just cut other little slots to make like these little fingers, because basically what this is going to do is it's going to act like a compression nut on there. So we'll take our basket, put it on top, take the cap, you want the fingers going up through the top of the cap. We're going to slide it down, because see, this part's tapered right here. So slide it down over the top, and now what you have, you is all those little fingers are going to lock it in. Now, to totally secure it up, we just take and get us a zip tie. Put it right down here. Oop. Get this in the camera. Right on top of that cap. And use the pliers to kind of snug it in. And then we'll just cut this. I like to leave a little bit of a tag on there because the reason is if I need to tighten this up in the field, I can do that with the pair of pliers that are on my multi-tool. Then what I'll do is I like to trim this down probably about 3/8 to 1/4 of an inch. Just kind of get it flat a little bit, so it's not like a total, cup. So there we go, and that's on there. That's good. And so here we have it, DIY snow basket, if you will, for your regular trekking poles.